Hello and welcome to today's online video course, How to Buy Property in the Dominican Republic. I am Anthony, the Dominican Gringo. Let's go ahead and get started. Lesson 1. Can foreigners legally buy property in the Dominican Republic? Let's start with the question that almost everybody asks first when they begin thinking about buying property in the Dominican Republic. And that is, can foreigners actually own property there? This is usually the biggest concern, especially for people coming from the United States or other countries where buying internationally feels complicated or risky. So let me make this very clear right from the beginning. Yes, foreigners can legally buy and own property in the Dominican Republic. Not only that, but the Dominican Republic is one of the most friendly or foreign-friendly countries in the Caribbean when it comes to real estate ownership. Now, a lot of people assume there must be restrictions. They think maybe you need residency, or maybe you need to have a partner with Dominican citizenship, or maybe there are limitations of what foreigners can actually own. But in reality, none of that applies here. You do not need residency. You do not need citizenship, and you do not need a Dominican partner. You can purchase property using just your passport, and this is one of the biggest reasons why the Dominican Republic continues to attract foreign buyers, retirees, and investors from all over the world. Now, when you talk about property ownership, we're not just talking about one type of property. No, no, no. Foreigners can legally purchase and fully own condos, houses, land, and commercial property. The ownership can be completely in your name, like it would be in your home country. This is what makes the Dominican Republic so attractive compared to other countries, where foreign ownership is restricted or complicated. However, and this is very important, just because it is easy to buy property does not mean the process should be taken lightly. This is where a lot of people make their first mistake. They hear that foreigners can buy property easily, and they assume the process must be simple. They think they can move quickly, trust what they're told, and everything will work out. But the reality is, the process itself is structured and it needs to be followed correctly. The biggest factor in this process is your lawyer. And in the Dominican Republic, your lawyer plays a central role in the entire transaction. This is different from how things are typically done in the United States, where real estate agents handle a lot of the process. Here, your lawyer is responsible for verifying that everything about the property is legally correct. Now, that includes confirming who actually owns the property, making sure the title is valid, and checking that there are no debts or liens attached to that property, and also confirming that the taxes have been paid. This process is known as due diligence, and this is something you should never ever skip. If there is one rule you take from this lesson, it is this: never buy property in the Dominican Republic without a qualified independent lawyer. The legal system is solid and foreign ownerships is protected, but your protection depends on following the process correctly. So the opportunity is there and the laws are in your favor, but success comes from understanding how the system works and making sure you do things the right way. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about location, because where you choose to buy property in the Dominican Republic will have a major impact on your lifestyle, your investment, and your long-term satisfaction. That's the end of lesson 1, and I look forward to seeing you in lesson 2.